are two major schools of thought when it comes to approaching the market. One is a fundamental analysis, and the other is technical analysis. Now, these two approaches are at totally opposite ends of the spectrum, but both have their place in trading in today's wild and woolly markets. And as any great trader will tell you, it's important to understand each and how to apply them to your own trading. So in the first of these 3 short videos, we're going to be discussing fundamental analysis and how to use it in your trading. So let's start with the basic definition and build from there. Fundamental analysis evaluates stocks by attempting to measure their intrinsic value. I know, already I'm throwing new words at you. Intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the measure of what an asset is worth. This measure is arrived at by means of an objective calculation and even a more complex financial model. Objective calculations involve looking at a company's financial records, measuring things like the company's debt against their income ratio. When you know how good the cash flow is, you can see how strong a company is and their ability to handle debt. The cash flow model also looks at funds for growth, research and development, and even to hire new talent, allowing a company to further grow. So measuring a company's fundamentals also involves a wider worldview, looking at the state of the economy, the existing industrial conditions, and the company's management team. These are more subjective evaluations. So in short, it's a 3-step process, looking at the overall state of the economy, the strength of a specific industry, and third, the financial performance of the company issuing the stock. So who does all this evaluation? Well, the answer is financial analysts. These analysts are for the most part employed by banks, pension funds, insurance companies, hedge funds, and their whole job is to gather data, organize the information, analyze historic results, and then make future forecasts and projections. From this information, they prepare presentations and reports with their trading recommendations. What analysts are searching for are companies who are currently undervalued. In other words, the value of the company is much greater than the current price of the stock. So how do I use these fundamental factors in my trading? Well, when I buy something, a stock for instance, and I want to hold it long term, I want to know, is it in a good industry? Is the company outlook good? And of course, I prefer the analyzed value to be higher than the current price it's trading at. In our next video, we're going to look at technical analysis of stocks. Investing Buddies is a group of very successful traders that I lead, and I've been around trading in some form since 1972. And when I say successful, I mean it. The goal of our quarterly data class is to double our portfolio in 10 weeks of trading. And the good news for you is we make it easy for you to try us out, see if we're a good fit. There's a free trial offer when you hit the button below. Thanks for listening, and this is Maggie signing off.